Okay, now, decision part, I think it should be called has discount or not discounted. When you put a word or you put a sentence or you have a subject on your decision box, it should be something like a question. Not discounted, then question mark. Has discount, something like that. Is member, something like that, okay? Now, if discounted is yes, or if discount is yes, the application will compute with the discount price. Okay. The discount price, so what is your category for discount price? Is it percentage or the amount will be deducted or?
So I multiply it by 80, so
Huh? 0.80.
pesos.
So,
So the price will be, the discount will be 20%. We compute as 20% discount.
that's for senior citizen, right?
Yes. We all the discount we use as only 20% per all.
If it's only 20%, okay. Is it right? Because if you multiply it by
Yes,
example 85 times 0.80, is that the price?
Discounted na kagad
No. If you have to deduct the example B times DC. The sum of that will be deducted from the B. Okay. Other way around.
Yes.
Okay. Example 5 times
Yes, 10%.
0.8. It's 4 pesos. I trust my calculator than your program. Yeah, it's 4. But, okay. So, I guess, no. I can see that you're using double as your data type. But we're not yet on the program. I'm still focusing on your flowchart. Okay. Now, if it has discount, yes, then B times DC, then you get the discounted amount. What if the user has no discount? How can you compute?
So it only display that is price list.
I think there's a missing process. There's a missing process. Why?
Dapat may process involved pa dun sa after ng
Yep.
Like what we will.
You initialize it above, right? Right? Initialize the values. Initialize B equals to 5, B equals to 8. But how come on the yes part you calculate it again to be displayed, right? But on the no, if the discount the user has no discount. Wait. Wait.
dapat may computation ka. After ng
So it's only
Okay. So if I'm going to